Hi everyone, my name is Premjit. I am the game designer at devlogs, and Moxit is our game design intern. And this is our YouTube channel, BTS of our new shooter game. So here we are sharing all behind the scene for our shooter game design. So what we did yesterday, we discussed about our health mechanics. We went through the design document. We have done our fixes, and that is completed. And we tried to play test our guns because we changed some of our gun attributes, and we wanted to play test and balance it out. But the player animation was not working, and we were not able to pick any of the guns or drop it. So we are not able to play test it yesterday, but we'll do that today. But before that, we have to check our player damage multiplier,
Yeah,
right? So
yeah,
Mokshit, you have completed a document, right? So I'll just share the document, and you can explain me what you have like written down or mentioned
yeah,
in the
sure. Thank you.
document, right? Okay, cool.
So basically, from the yesterday's stream, people had
One
seen
second,
that the
let me share my screen.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, can you see?
yeah, it's visible.
Okay, cool.
So like damage multiplier in the sense each gun has its own base damage. So let's say in this case we'll take rifle as the example. In our game, the rifle has a base damage of 15 HP.
Yeah.
But if we shoot the enemy at head or at the upper body, there should be some distinguishment, right? It should be separate. It should feel like unique. So what we have done is, so for head we have divided the body into three parts. One is the head, then is the upper body, and then the legs. Initially it was four as you saw in the yesterday's stream, but now we went back with the three because three is more similar. For the future we can see what we can do. And currently for the head we have kept the multiplier as times 3, for upper body is times 1, and legs multiplier is times 4. So here with the diagram you can see the distinguishment which I have done. Again, if you scroll a little bit, you can see the base damage. So here what we have done is, so in currently in our game we have 4 different types of weapons: rifles, launchers, close combat, and snipers. For each of those types, again under that there are multiple weapons, but each weapon has like the base damage, which is, for example, in this rifle is 15 HP. Again, we have calculation is shown. If you hit head with a rifle, it will do 45 HP. So for each of these guns, we have shown the characterization. And again, the whenever the player shoots on the head, he should know that he shot in the head, right? It should be like a separate, distinguishment. Again, if you scroll down, we can see that hit specific SFX. If, for example, if you take other games such as Valorant, if you give a headshot, there is a specific ding sound, and also that ding varies based on the guns you have. So this will help the user to understand that whether they hit a headshot, body shot, or the leg shot.
Okay.
Again, if other than the SFX, we can also use the UI feedback as well. UI feedback, as in the sense, it will show how much damage we did. So based on the number, you can identify whether you did a headshot, body shot, or a leg shot. For example, here in the launcher, if you did a headshot, as I showed before, it does 90 HP damage. So there you can see it shows that 90 is the damage which is done. So these are the two distinguishments which the player can realize which damage multiplier is taking place through the SFX and through the UI which is shown.
Cool. So this is our player damage multiplier. So this is fixed for version 1. So we'll be playtesting today. Can you explain what we are gonna do in the playtest? Let me open our Unity during that time.
Yeah. So in the meantime, when Premjit opens the Unity file, so basically we'll be showcasing the various guns, and through that guns we'll be showcasing how much each gun damage does, and how much is the range of each weapon, how much is the dispersion, how much is the recoil. So basically we'll be testing it on each other, and we'll be seeing if that is a good value, or whether we need to tweak it like little bit higher or little bit lower. Based on that, we'll update the values as you saw in the Google Doc just now.